Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete an Google account. So first of all, I'm going to open the web browser and I'm going to my Gmail. You can see I'm going to delete this account. It's artificialcryptocopy@gmail.com. So first of all, you need to go to here, click here, manage your Google account. Just go right there, and as we can see, there's a lot of options there. Click date and privacy right here, and go to the bottom and see more options, and click delete your Google account, just like this. And if you want to download all the data that's saved on this Google account before you deleting, so download your data from here. Just click right here, and read this. Please read this carefully. All this content will be deleted. Note this: the list below may not contain every Google service affected by your deletion, such as a service Google no longer supports. Your data will be deleted from these services as well. Gmails, all your emails that came to inboxes, and everything else. Yes, if you want to delete the other things as well, just press these ticks. Just click these ticks and click delete account. So it's successful. Your Google account and all its data have been deleted. If you accidentally delete your Google account, you have short amount of time to recover it. No, I don't want it. So after you clicking delete your Google account, you will see some of you can see to verify your phone number in here. So in this Google account, I didn't add my phone number to as a recovery option, so I didn't get that option to add my phone number, because the Google will send you a code, so I didn't get that message. So that's it.